Well, I'm Gary Niver, from Clyde, Michigan, over near Port Huron. And I'm here at That's Minor Customs to talk with them about my 62 Vette they have here for repair. I come across That's Minor Customs through Cruise News magazine. I found out that other specialty shops can do a better job than I can, so that's why it's here. They've started the process, and they're in the process of repairing it. And from what I see, it's coming out excellent. Well, I'm very excited. Of course, all of us are in this hobby because we like cars. Well, that specific goal is to take the vehicle to Autorama, and of course, like everybody down there, they want to bring home a winner. There's no doubt in my mind this car will be.